Okay, I got something in the mail from Hydrojug, and I don't know what's in here, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. Oh my gosh, the box is pink. We're off to a great start. What? Okay, so I got a big pink box in the mail. Love that. I have no idea what this is. Genuinely. Oh my god. You get a neon pink traveler, a dream traveler sleeve, a cream crew neck, cream socks, a pink crossbody bag, and a dream sticker. Wow, this is so nice. So this is a Black Friday box. They sent me these socks. Oh my god, how cute is this? I was not prepared. Before I rip it all apart, look at how cute this is. Holy moly. I was not expecting to be so like spoiled today. So I got the socks. I got some Hydrojug socks. A little fanny. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. What? This literally just made my day. A sleeve for really what this whole thing is about. Wow. That is stunning. With the straw. 40 ounces. Food grade stainless, leak proof, cup holder friendly. This is probably my second favorite color. My first favorite color is green, but this is my phone case right now. This is so fun. Crew neck. Drink more water. I love this so much. Are you kidding? This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you so much to Hydrojug. What? And then here's the little sticker. I feel so grateful. This was the most fun thing to open up. Oh my gosh. And then while we're here, I also did get a package from Velvet Caviar. One of my favorite phone cases. So this one that I just showed you is one of their new holiday cases. I love it. They sent me the little charm as well. Here is the cute PR box they sent with the candy canes. So this was their holiday capsule. And they sent a little note. Dear Lauren, cozy up with our holiday capsule collection. Limited edition phone cases that will keep you sparkling into the new year. I got that phone case that I just showed you, and then the clear candy cane case as well. I got a couple of grippers, which I didn't open yet. So let's open these together. They're like little mat. It's basically like one of those pop socket type of things, but the candy cane. So this goes on here, and it's like you hold your phone. That's so cute. I didn't know that. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I am overjoyed. I had opened the cases, but nothing else that they sent me. So they also sent a wireless charger that is also candy cane. This is just insanely cute. Everything's pink. I couldn't be happier. Like, I love, this feels like peak girlhood right here. Here's the other phone grip, and it's also like a stand too, so you can like prop your phone up. I am the most annoying when it comes to opening like boxes and stuff. Like, childish behavior. But I'm just like so excited. This is the one that matches my case. Ah, that is so cute. And then I'm gonna just stick it right on here. That is so cute. So I was kind of in between wanting to train and wanting to recover on this day. So I did kind of an accessory lower body day, focusing on strengthening the hip flexors, a little bit of glutes, but nothing crazy, very low impact. And started off with the hardest thing that I've done in a while, if you can believe it. This is just lifting your leg up and over a kettlebell or anything that you have, making sure that your tailbone is tucked really tightly up against that wall so that you are only utilizing your hip flexors. It is harder than it looks. It's okay if you goof. This is actually a more advanced version. You can take that kettlebell away and simply lift your leg up and down. I did 2 sets on each side, trying to hit 20 reps. This is something that you have to work at to get better over time.
The next exercise for the hip flexors, I'm laying flat on the ground with a cable attachment hooked to my ankle, getting full extension and then driving the knee up toward the chest, making sure that my back is flat to the floor. Again, harder than it looks. I'm aiming for 15 reps per side, really taking my time here, making sure that my belly button is pulling in toward my spine to keep the core engaged. You can see how little weight I have here. It doesn't take much. Staying here on the cables, doing some glute kickbacks next, really focusing on a slow eccentric portion or the downward portion of the movement, and then driving that leg up. Obviously not focusing on heavy weight for this workout in general. I'm really just focusing on that mind-muscle connection, really squeezing and feeling it and keeping good form throughout the entirety of the exercise, most importantly. Did some band work next, putting this little band around my ankles, and then literally as simple as it can be, I am just stepping side to side. I'm going 5 steps to the right, 5 steps to the left for 30 seconds. Again, this is tougher than it looks. You're gonna feel the sides of your glutes firing up. This is another one that's great for strengthening those hip flexors, that abductor area. After that, I just stayed in place and did some backward steps, stepping slightly outward. And then finished off the workout with a couple of different glute bridge variations. Similar to that cable exercise, we are driving the knee toward the chest, staying up in that glute bridge the entire time, alternating. Again, just doing a couple of sets here for 30 seconds. Please hydrate along the way. And then we're going to get back up into that glute bridge. And instead of driving the knees toward the chest, we're going to get a full extension. This is a glute bridge march. Again, we're doing 30 seconds of work here. All of these movements are great to prevent injury and keep ourselves healthy when we're lifting heavy weight. I just had to pick up my prescription. Shout out to my SSRI girlies. Hi! Hope that those of you who celebrate Thanksgiving had a great one, ate a lot of good food, had some good workouts, fueled by all of those amazing sides. I know I did. As you guys know, I'm about 7 weeks post thumb surgery, and I have been getting back into lifting, which is amazing. It makes me feel so good. You have no idea. I was definitely in a funk these past few months. I don't even know what to say. I wanted to give you guys a little thumb update. Like I said, have been able to lift and do a lot. Especially when I go to the gym that's not in my house, there's so much that I can do now. I can hold things. Scar update. It looks really good. Still a little bit swollen, obviously. There's still some pain that comes and goes. I'm still in physical therapy, trying to get my range of motion back. The hardest right now is this way. So I've been blocking off this bottom joint and just trying to move the tip of my thumb, because that is where I feel like the range of motion needs the most improvement. So I've really been working on that. But when I go hard for a couple of days, I definitely feel it, and I'm like, okay, maybe I should like chill for a minute, make sure my body is recovering as well. So I've really been just listening to my body and trying not to overdo it, because I am an overdoer. Every week I feel a little bit more like my old self again, which is awesome. And I've adopted a mindset, or sort of like a mantra, with everything in my life basically, because I'm not gonna lie, I These past few months have been really hard for me mentally. So now that I'm able to do so much again, obviously I still have my limitations, but I am so much less limited. So I have approached things with the mindset of, let's see how well I can do this. Like if I step on the treadmill, let's say I'm feeling like $1,000,000 and I'm like, I'm gonna sprint today. I'm gonna do 30-second sprints. Let's see how well I can do them. Let's see if I can increase my speed increment by 0.1 every time. And it doesn't even have to be a metric. It can just be, let's see how well I can do this. Let's see how mindful I can be. Let's see how locked in I can get for this workout. Obviously, it's easier on the days when you're feeling amazing. But I find that the mantra, or whatever you want to call it, it comes in handy the most when you are not feeling motivated or you are feeling like not your best self. You can still step on that treadmill or step into the gym and say, let's see, despite how I may be feeling, let's see how well I can do this. It's been so easy to just keep in my mind, no matter what I'm doing, like, let's see how well I can do this. Because it puts you in that mindset of wanting to try your best. And as we know, our best looks different every single day, but it still sets you up to be your best on that day. Like, let's see how well I can do this. Maybe it's that time of the month, you're feeling like bleh, you still want to move your body. Let's see how well I can flow through a mobility workout. It doesn't even have to be like, let's see how hard I can go. It's just, let's see how well I can do this on this day, feeling this way. And that's really been helpful for me, so I wanted to share that. Just something to keep in mind if you feel like you're approaching your workouts maybe with a little bit of negativity, or if you're in a rut. A lot of times just flipping the perspective can really take you far, and I know it's easier said than done, but the more you practice it and the more you put it into practice, the easier it gets, and the more you can revert back to those little things that are easy to remember in the times that you need them the most. But I wanted to just give you guys a quick little update on how we're doing over here and check in and say hi. Have you guys went shopping for Black Friday, Cyber Monday? Have you gotten all your deals? Have you gotten all your Christmas shopping done? Let me know. I swear TLF has had the best sale going all month. So if you're looking for gifts for your fit friends, highly recommend checking out the TLF sale. They have the best hoodies, crew neck sweatshirts, joggers, obviously active wear, but if you're looking for cozies to layer up for the gym, you gotta check out the TLF sale. It's probably running through the end of the month, but let me know, did you guys shop any of the sales? Did you get anything from Evogen? Did you get anything from TLF? Let me know. If you guys use my code, you have to tell me, okay? So I want to say thank you for supporting me and taking that extra step. It means a lot, and I don't want that to go unnoticed. But I'm gonna run home now. I really just had to stop and pick up my medicine. Thank you for being here. It means so much that you watch my silly little videos on the internet and listen to what I'm saying. I will see you very soon for the next one, okay? I love you. Mwah. Thanks for watching.